Fast beneath the sunlight, trees swaying left and right, paths that weave through silence, benches lined with peace. In the open air we wander, find a calm release. Stands begin to rumble, fans begin to cheer, footsteps on gravel, laughter drawing near. Children chase the echoes, kites above the trees. In the rhythm of the meadow, I let my spirit breathe. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home. Whispers through the branches, secrets in the shade, where playgrounds meet the sunrise, memories are made. Echoes of the chanting, moments bold and bright. We're watchers of the greenery, soaring into light. From goalposts to gazebos, scenes both wild and mild. A canvas made of clover, of wonder growing wild. Every shadow shelters peace, each breeze another song. We capture living stories as the drone moves on. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home.
The morning light is rising across a silent field, where steel and stone are growing, where dreams begin to yield. No noise, no crowd, no anthem, just echoes in the haze. But in the air there's promise, a spark that starts to blaze. The paths are drawn with purpose, the nets are hung with care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the training grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the one strong and proud. The future wants these sidelines, its heartbeat loud and clear. The club becomes a promise, rebuilt year after year. We move across the training grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the trading grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. We raise the next beginning, the ground we build upon.
Every step measured, no looking back. I built my shape from discipline. No wasted moves, no fragile skin. I knew the rules, I played them right. Turned every flaw into sharpened light. They called it strength, they called it control, but silence started carving my soul. I was too perfect to ever fall, too precise to feel at all. I was too perfect, clean and tight, but perfection casts no shadow, no light. I watch the world in flawless lines, pattern systems, grand designs, history spoken stone and time. Nature moved in rhythm and rhyme. I trusted order, I trusted form, believed harmony keeps you warm. But beauty doesn't ask to be owned, it breaks you open, leaves you exposed. I was too perfect to ever bend, too complete to need a friend. I was too perfect, sealed and closed, but nothing grows when nothing's broken open. Then something shifted, quiet and slow, not a collapse, a letting go. I felt the weight, I felt the grace. Imperfection gave me space. Not weaker now, just more alive. I don't survive, I choose to strive. I'm not too perfect, I finally see. Strength breathes best in honesty. I'm not too perfect, I stand revealed. What what bends can heal, what feels is real. I still believe in form and flow, in nature's laws, in what we grow. But now I know, beyond control, the deepest power is having a soul. Stand still, where metal veins cut through the hill. No voices rise, no banners fly, yet something burns beneath the sky. The marks of hands, the tools of might, shape walls that pierce the newborn light. The past still breathes beneath our feet, its echo cold, its rhythm sweet. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne, just will and bone. We build the ground we stand upon. This earth remembers every fall, each cry that shook the iron wall. From sweat and dust a vow is born, to rise again, remade, reborn. No crowd yet roars, no drums resound, but power hums beneath the ground. The steel will sing, the fire will call, the